I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle jumped up. That strong cash bids to end the week really pushed that market higher, and now as we see, it got up over $2. Plus the technical buying really underpinning those futures. The prices rose more than 1%, and it just seems that the live cattle has actually shrugged off any kind of tariff war talk or any difficulty with that. Demand has been pretty decent. The U.S. dollar index was just it kind of mixed today a little bit, and overall the U.S. dollar has actually been kind of strong. But the markets, there's a lot of traders that are trying to get involved with that market. The feeders were also higher. That confidence in that beef demand strength continues, and that had that working strong. It was a little bit behind the market. The live cattle market actually was feeding the complex a little bit higher, but the markets are staying strong in spite of the expanding herds. And but we have to be aware of falling pork prices because that could spill over into the beef market. However, very gradually as we move into the fall, that could happen as we go further. But today, hogs were really struggling until they finally were able to turn around and started to find some life. And I think it's some overflow buying out of the cattle complex. The negative fundamentals were really pressuring the futures initially, and it's been another challenging week overall. Even though we did have a little bit of a rebound here in the for the pork producers, but the cash markets remain really vulnerable to more pressure from follow-through selling. So we have to watch that. Demand has been weak at times, but we're starting to push through a little bit. But we have huge supplies, and so trying to get through that is going to be the real thing that we've got to watch. But thank goodness we're off the ground, and we're going to end on a positive note today for the cattle market, for the cattle and the hog market, I should say. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.